Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a QR code in Microsoft Excel for free. Let's get started. First, let's go to Insert. Next, click on the Get Add-ins button located in the Add-ins group. Next, click on the search bar and search for QR for Office. Once we've typed that, just click on the Add button beside the QR for Office item. Click on Continue. And there we go. QR for Office should just load right in. If ever we need to access QR for Office some other time, I'll show you how to open it again. Close that and go to Insert again and go to My Add-ins. You can either click on the arrow button next to the My Add-ins button or just click the My Add-ins button itself. Once you click that, go ahead and click QR for Office and click Add. And there we go. Now that we have our QR generator online, let's go ahead and type our website. Just copy the link we provided on the left side of the screen. Once we've copied that, just paste it on the URL input box in the QR for Office settings. Now that we've done that, we can customize our QR code. We can change the colors, the background, and even the size and error correction. Now, we can choose whatever color we want. Let's go ahead and customize it for a bit. We can use the slider to change the size. And let's go for a high error correction, so it won't get confused with other QR codes. Once you've done customizing it, just press Insert on the bottom part of the QR for Office settings. And it should appear right into your spreadsheet just like that. You can drag it inside the table so it looks uniform. And there we have it. This is how we make a QR code in Microsoft Office for free.